The town Tom lived in was gray and dull. One morning, Tom looked out of the window.
I wish something fun would happen,
he thought. At breakfast, Tom played with his biscuits. The biscuits were round, like the wheels of his favorite toy train. Tom took his toy train to kindergarten with him. While the children painted pictures, the teacher told them about colors. Everywhere you look, there are beautiful colors, bright colors, dark colors. Tom closed his eyes and put his head on the desk.
Choo-choo! All aboard! All aboard for the world of colors! Choo-choo!
Tom's train started to chuff.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Tom's train puffed under shiny green crocodile bridges.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
They passed lovely red flowers. And red bees, too.
Choo-choo!
They drove along a sandy yellow beach. Even the warm breeze was yellow.
Choo-choo!
On they went, under the waves with the fish, into a deep blue undersea world.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
They drove through the sparkling snow. Everything was white, as far as Tom could see.
Choo-choo!
They drove deep into a dark tunnel full of scary black monsters.
Let's get out of here! Quick!
Choo-choo!
Crash!
The train rushed out of the tunnel, but it hit a rock and spun off the track. Tom flew through the air.
Help! Help! Wake up, Tom!
Called his friends.
You haven't finished your picture.
The teacher spread out the children's colorful pictures on the floor.
Choo-choo!
All aboard! All aboard for the world of colorful pictures!
Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
The train of children started to chuff. Off they went.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!